Hello friends and welcome to the official CedCommerce channel. It's me Shekhar this side, back again with a new video in the series of videos for Catch Magento 1 integration. And in our last video friends, we discussed how do we create a new profile under the section of manage profile, and today we'll be talking about how do we manage profiles once we have created the profile and we have assigned a product to it. So let's start. How do we do it? So once you've created a profile, you need to go to your Magento admin panel, and here you can, on the top navigation bar, you can see manage profile section, which you need to click at, and upon clicking on it you get navigated to this page. So we have created these profiles here and they are listed over here. If they are not listed, you can click on reset filter and you will see all your profiles listed here. So from here you can manage your profiles. You have many options to handle your profiles the way you want to. So we'll start with this action section. So here you can see that you have option of editing a profile or managing a product. So let's say if I want to make some changes to my profile which has name watch, or which is active and which has total 1 item assigned to it. So if I want to edit it in any way, I'll be clicking on it on this drop down menu, and I'll be clicking on edit profile. Then once we do that, we come across this page. So here we have profile code, profile name, status. So we can change for example the profile name or the status for it, and similarly we can change the category or the mapping of it, and the variant attribute mapping. We can make the changes according to our wish, and we can also assign some more products to it or remove the product from this profile. And once we are done with this, all that we need to do is to click on this save button, and our changes will be saved. You can see the configuration has been saved, the profile has been successfully saved. So this is how you can edit your profile. Similarly, you have another option here of managing the products, but that is something we'll be talking about in our another video, where we'll be talking about the management of products, because that topic itself is a comprehensive topic which we'll be covering in a separate video. So we further have many other actions that we can take on this page. For example, we have this actions tab over here, and adjacent to it is a drop down menu where we can see delete and change status. So for example, if you want to change the status of your profile, you can do that in either bulk or by selecting one profile or any number of profiles that you want to change the status for. So for example, if I want to do it for all the profiles, I'll be clicking on select all, or if I want to do it for one profile of this watch, then I'll be selecting it. I'll go on actions tab and I'll be selecting change status. So here now we can see a status tab where we can see inactive and active options. So here we can show it to you by clicking on inactive, and then we need to click on submit button to take that action. So you can see now that one profile status has been changed, and you can see in the status here that the profile is now inactive. Similarly, you can make it active once again by selecting active here and clicking on submit button. So you can see that your profile is active once again, watch active, and this is how you change the status of your profile. Similarly, you can delete your profile or more than one profile in the same manner. You can select all, or if you want to select one profile, you can just click on it, select it, and then you need to go to actions tab, you need to click on delete, and then you need to click on submit, and you can see a message here, and I'll be confirming it. If you do not want to, you can cancel it, and just to show you, I'll be deleting this profile just to make you understand how do you do that. So you'll be clicking on OK. And once you do that, you get navigated to this page, and here you can see cache profiles deleted successfully, and you can see your profile is not listed here anymore, and you cannot see your profile with the name watch here. So this is how you manage your profile while going through the Catch Magento 1 integration process. This is how you manage profile, and the next part in this series of videos is the management of products, and that is something we'll be talking about in our next video. I hope you like this video, and we'll be back very soon with a new video of management of products. Till then, bye bye, take care, see you.